Hi, this is Mrs. Bartling, and I was your student's 8th grade Ag Exploratory teacher for the first rotation. I'm a second year teacher here at Iowa Falls Alden. I also teach at the high school, and I'm the FFA advisor. Your student had units in Ag Exploratory regarding disease control and biosecurity, soil, plant classification, and animal husbandry. I tried to bring projects that allowed kids to bring their own personal interests into the classroom to let them know that agriculture touches so many things that they're personally interested in. Students were graded through projects that created learning artifacts. There was some written work, and tests were also included. Students in the 8th grade are eligible to participate in FFA if they would like to, and I hope that if you have any questions about what we cover in the Ag program at the junior high that you'll feel free to either email me or call me at the school. Thanks for sending your student to school and to the Ag classroom.